Hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be doing a bonus plan with me video for the week. I'll be using this Love Posh sticker book in my dashboard HP mini happy planner. So stay tuned if you want to see what I create. I started out as a planner babe, and I used to just decorate my spreads for everyone to see my creativity and get some inspiration for themselves. But now I design and print my own stickers and stationery, and I hand letter and draw everything. But I wanted to sit down and do an actual plan with me for the first time. I will be using this Love Posh sticker book, and I will be using this set of stickers. This is a mini HP dashboard spread that I will be decorating. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. I also have this little notique pouch that I carry everywhere basically, and it has all of my planner and some drawing supplies in there. So I'll be reaching in here from time to time too. Let me know if you want to do like a what's in my planner pouch video. I actually have a blog post on my top 5 essentials for a planner pouch already. But let's get started. So I'm going to go through, since I do know that I want to cover this center part here, I'm going to go through and actually white out. And honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I got this planner. I knew that it looked like this on the inside. I knew it would be hard to decorate, but I really like the cover. And I have 2 planners. This is my business planner, and then I have what I like to call my catch-all planner. And my catch-all is a skinny classic planner, and I like the idea of the 2 of them matching each other. And these were the only 2 in the store at my local Hobby Lobby that matched when I went in there to buy a planner. But pretty much every week I have to white out all of these colorful bindings. So I really don't know how long this planner is going to last me, to be honest. I don't know how long I'll be okay doing this. Okay, so that's whited out. I know that I wanted to use this sticker that I'm having trouble pulling up. So this little sticker, I knew I wanted this to be in the center, so we're gonna see how I want it. And it's nice because it's a clear sticker. I'm trying to put these together the best that I can, so that when I get the sticker down, I'll just have to, oh, I do have trouble getting these center stickers down, y'all. Okay, and then I'm gonna add another little something down here at the bottom, just to make sure it's all kind of covered. And maybe I'll add something up here. I might be able to cut this end off, so let's see what that looks like once I cut. I'm going to use this little craft knife to give it an initial cut. It's gonna cut through. And then I'll probably have to go back and like cut a little bit. I got these little scissors from Indian Ivy Ink at SGS last year, and I bought them because they were pink, honestly, and they matched my notique bag, and they were slender, so they weren't like a bulky scissor. I actually had 2 pairs of scissors in my bag. So I don't think this little end will be enough for us to use, so I'll have to get another sticker. But I'm just gonna cut the excess off here. I don't know why these normally cut better than this. I wonder if it's because this that sticker is that clear material. It's kind of like vinyl a little bit. So I'm gonna use these little stickers. I mean, this little pair of scissors. And I think I got these scissors from Amazon. Can't exactly remember. But this should just be a quick little spread. This is my first video, so it might not feel quick. But yeah, it should just be quick to throw something together, because like I said, this is my business planner and I don't like to put too many stickers in here because I have to write a lot. I really don't like to put a lot of stickers down where I can't write anyway, but I like to be able to write my ideas and everything I need to do for the week. So I'm gonna find another little sticker to put up right here at the top. Let's see. Okay, I like. Okay, I like this little sticker. I'm trying to figure out if I want this side or this side, and I'm kind of leaning towards this side being what I put down, just for a little more contrast there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this off. And I have a Patreon too, where I share the stickers that I actually draw myself. And I was thinking to myself, I need to offer videos, and something that a lot of the planner babes do are the Plan With Me videos. I also have some hand lettering videos over there too, because I teach hand lettering classes. And like I said, all of my stickers are hand lettered too. So I have that piece. And then when I have this much of a sticker left, I like to try to find a spot for it. But until I know exactly where I want to put it, we're gonna leave it to the side. And now I gotta figure out some more spots for these florals. So I have this little floral. I'm gonna put this over in this corner. And I don't like to crowd the stickers around, or I guess on this side, this isn't a corner, but I don't like to crowd the stickers around. So I try to give balance on each side of the page. I'm trying to get this sticker up here off now if you're hearing something and it sounds like I'm struggling, because I was. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one down in this corner. And I'm not gonna stick it all the way down because I'm gonna get started going to look for some boxes. Let's see, I feel like I want some greens, and let's go with green and orange in this spread just to be a little different. So I'm going to go with this orange sticker here, and I'm going to cover up the word notes. This section might still be notes. I just for more balance, because of how I know I like to use boxes on the opposite side, I'm going to stick this sticker here. And it's crooked, so that's bothering me, and I'm going to pick it up, move it over, or move it down a little. Okay, that's better. And then layer that little piece there on top. That's cute so far. Now I'm going to grab some of these small box orange stickers and place them on each day, kind of in the middle. Well, I like to alternate actually, so I'm not placing them on each day. Because I'm going to grab some green ones of these too if I have any left. I do have some left. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to grab the green ones. Let's see. And then I'll alternate boxes. So another orange one here. And then I'm actually going to the Love and Light Planner Bash in Atlanta this weekend, this Saturday. So I'll put a box here for that too. Okay, so those are all of my boxes. And then I want to put, so I never use these little stickers. Y'all, I hardly ever use these. So I always try to find a spot for stickers that I never use. And then I do tend to like to stick with one sticker book. And so let's see. I know I want to add some, I can add important over here too with the green one, because that already says important. And then we'll find another orange sticker, probably goals. Put that here. And then, oh, that's not, okay. Okay. And then the orange task sticker I will place on top of the word tasks. And I don't like to just white everything out on the page until I know exactly what I want to do in that spot. So I actually don't mind these being a bit colorful over here, but we'll see once I add some dot stickers. I'm trying to see, do I want to add dots like here? I kind of like putting one each on the days that I didn't put them on. So we'll do that. And if you notice, I didn't push them down all the way just so I can pick them up easily if I don't like it. So those are there. And I think that looks nice. So we'll go ahead and press them down. And I'm trying to figure out now, do I want, so I'm going to pull up tasks right here and I'm going to move it down because I did not like that these two stickers were not aligned. This task sticker and the important sticker here, the task sticker was up a little too far. But now I know that I would like to add more dot stickers over here. I typically don't like to crowd my tasks and have that many spaces for tasks. So I'm just grabbing the dot stickers that are in the back of this sticker book, placing them down, and skipping a row, and then I'll go back and use my white gel pen and get rid of those colorful boxes there. And so I'm just alternating colors, which I like to do a lot if you look at a lot of my spreads on my Instagram. And this one is actually super quick. I'm gonna go through and use my white gel pen. I use these Jelly Roll size 10 gel pens, and I'm just going to white out all of these little colored boxes. I like using these gel pens instead of actual whiteout because they're closer to the color of the page, and it gives it kind of a more seamless look on such a small area. And it's easier to control where this white gel ink actually goes versus using whiteout like this. like that looks done to me. I think it's super cute. I'm gonna go back and see if there's any spot where I can add some flowers, more flowers. I particularly wanted to add one of these coconuts. So let's see if we can find a spot for that. It's too large, maybe. I don't really want to crowd it up, so we might be done. So that's the finished product, and I'm going to go and punch with the mushroom punch. All right, and we're all done. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and check me out on Patreon. And I'll see you next time.